Welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. In the previous videos, we seen how to make a display and how to make a keypad using a Kinder toolkit. In this video, we are going to connect them both, and then we are performing operation like if you are going to press the button 1, then 1 should be displayed in the display. Like that 2, it will show 2 and 3. Whatever button you are going to press, that button's data should be displaying on the display. So let's see how we are going to code this one. Let's create a new Python file here, select Python here, and that should be, let's name it as a screen. Here we are. So now we have to import the Kinter toolkit from Kinter import all. Now we have to create an event like let's create the event like screen here. So the screen should be equal to capital T K. So this will initialize the widget, and then we have to create main loop here, screen dot main loop. So let's run this one and check out what's going to be happen here. Let's run this one. We have to select the screen here, and then we have to see here the output is a widget is created. We have to name the screen. Let's go fast. Screen dot title. So we have to name the title like a screen. So and then what we have to do, we have to create the display like display that is equals to, we should make entry here, use the keyword entry. So in that entry, what we have to do, we have to select first of all the screen event should be selected, and then we have to select the font. So font equal to Times New Roman. So Times New Roman, and we have to select the background color. So background color should be black here, and the foreground color should be blue. And then what we have to do, and then we have to create justify here. Justify equals to right, and then after this justify, we have to make text variable. So before going to this text variable, we have to create text here. So the text equals to string variable. So another one we are going to use in the next line like operator that equals to a string, we are defining like that. So and then we have to call the text over here, and then we have to use the grid here using the column span that is equals to 5 column span. Let's see the output here. Here we are getting an error like I expected integer but got new times new. As times new Roman, we have to select the size and also the style. We have to write bold. Here we messed up, and then run here. See, we got a display here like hello, hello, and let's make this one's like with the, let's select the border width here. Border width should be 30. See, now it's look like two commas are here, right? See, now it's look like screen, and then we have to create the buttons here. We have to create the buttons over here like btn button 1. So for creating button, we have a keyword like button. We have to call the event here screen comma, and we have to enter the text here. Text should be 1 here, and after creating text 1, we have to make the pad x and pad y here. Pad x equals to 16 and pad y equals to, here no need of pad y, no need of pad y. And see, let's define foreground, that is equals to blue here, and then we are creating background color with the black, and then font we have to select here font also. So font equals to, let me copy this font here and paste over here. I'm going to paste here, and we have to define the grid, the position of this, where row equals to 1 comma column is equals to 0. Let's see the output. So the first button is here, so we have to select the border width here like 30. Let's run this one now. See, here we got this type. We have to change the alignment here, that it should be, the button should be right over the screen.